Welcome to CS Karthikeyan YouTube channel. Subscribe my video, press bell button, share with your friends and family to subscribe more, and you will get notification. So in the earlier videos, I told you the sound questions and the remaining questions are listed here. So TNSET question. So 17. Euphemism attributes to the labored and affected style employed by Dash in his FMS and his England. So the options are like that, but the right answer is John Lely, who introduced the term euphemism to the English literature. So 18th question. Thomas More's Utopia was published in which year? The right answer is 1516. So for memory purpose, 1516 consecutive number. For English version of Utopia is 1551. So 15 reverse version 51. So 19th question. Marlowe's Hero Leander version is heavily influenced by the work of the classical poet. The right answer is option 3, Ovid. So question number 20. Dash of Shakespeare plays were published during his lifetime in a small format, inexpensive books called quartos. So 18 books of published. So option A, 1 is right answer. So 21 question. The play Devil is an Ass is written by. So it is written by Ben Jonson. So question number 22. The Pilgrim Progress is the most popular allegory in English, and its basic metaphor involves life as dash. The right answer is a journey. The 23rd question. Dryden's play All for Love owes much to Shakespeare's which play? Obviously option 4, Antony and Cleopatra. So 24th question. Pope criticized Dash in his famous Atticus passage, which appears in his epistle to Dr. Arbuthnot. The right answer is Lord Harvey. So 25th question. Edmund Burke's reflection on the revolution in France is an attack on the French Revolution and its Dash sympathizers. The answer is English sympathizers, option 2. So next question 26. Byron's Dash is a devastating satire on the death and the life and death of George III, the vision of judgment. In the end of the poem, the Princess by Tennyson Dash and the prince look forward to a future in which man will be more of woman, she of man. The right answer is Ida, option 3. 28th question. Dash is criticized by feminists for the sentimentality of its ideal of women and for the oppressive effect of this ideal on women's life. So the right answer is option 2, Coventry Patmore's The Angel in the House. So 29th question. The novella Heart of Darkness deals with the story of seaman Dash who, fresh from Europe, is sent on a boat journey up to the Congo River to relieve Kurds. The man, obviously we know the title, the man Marlowe, seaman. Then only he going to picked up to all the information about African post-colonialism. So 30th question. E.M. Foster's Where Angels Fear to Read is a dash projection of conflicts between refined English gentility and coarse Italian vitality. So the right option is 1, tragic comic In Endgame, Ham's parents Nell and Nag live in 2 dash. The right answer is garbage cans. 32 question. Thomas Gunn's dash explores the conflict between instinct and poise. The actual right answer is on the move. So 33 question number. Portrait of the artist as a young dog is an autobiographical work by whom? The right answer option is option 3, Dylan Thomas. So 34th question. Hemingway's novel For Whom the Bell Tolls is about dash Civil War. The right option is 1, Spanish Civil War. 35 question number. The Canadian short story writer Alice Munro won the Nobel Prize in Literature in which year? The right option is 2013. So all the answers, the concerned university, they give tentative answers keys and then corrected answers keys also. So based on those answer keys only I do this video. So question number 36. Similes which are used for the purpose of explaining a subject fully many more property be called. The right answer is illustrations. So 37th question. Question number 37. Dash is a stanza of 7 heroic verses, the first 5 rhyming at intervals and the last 2 in succession. The right option is A, Rhyme Royal. So question number 38. The main part of the first book printed in England, the Dictes and the Sieges of the Philosophers, was the work of dash. The right option is Lord Rivers, option 2. So 39th question. Cartier Eclogues by Alexander Berkeley is the earliest English collection of dash. It is the right option is option 1, pastorals. So question number 40. The stock pastoral characters such as Coody, Colin Clot, Perigord take part in dash. The right option is option 4, The Shepherd's Calendar, Edmund Spenser's notable work. So question number 41. Dash gives in the first example of romantic comedy through his campers and the women in the moon. The right option is option 2, John Lely. Question number 42. Dash was the first great English neoclassic for whom the chief function of literature was to instruct. The right answer option is option 1, Ben Jonson. So question number 43. Amelioration, a word derived from the Latin word melior, meaning. The right answer is better, option 2. So question number 44. Pejoration is a process that attaches dash connotation to a word. The right option is option 2, negative connotation to a word. So question number 45. Addison is a master of the dash. Attic prose, option 2. So next question number 46. Pope's Dunsink places dash as the favorite of the goddesses of dullness. So the right option is 1, Theobald. So 47. A group of poets of the 18th century who took death, loss and mourning as the theme of their poems were called. Obviously we know the answer, option 1, Graveyard School of Poetry. So question number 48, critics of consciousness are also called as critic of consciousness. Option A 1, Geneva School of Critics. So question number 49, erasure is a term which refers to. The right option is option 1, writing, which is creation. Question number 50, who is the architect of the theatre of reality? We know the answer obviously, Antonin Artaud. Option 4. So for the basis of preparation of either set or net, whatever the examination, just go through the previous year question papers. Then only you get idea which area is better to draw a blueprint. English literature and criticism and literary theory, and where to we find we have to get more ideas. So this video is about to know the question setter's mind. Then only you have an idea to answer all your questions. So for your purpose of these questions and analysis, keep reading, and most of the sources of your preparation is better. It must be books, that will be better. So all the very best for your exam, and keep support my channel, and share with your friends to subscribe more, and do well whatever the examination, presentation as well as the smart work will lead your better success. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much. Keep subscribing.